Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in on a clip in DaVinci Resolve 18. Whether you're looking to create smooth zoom animations or just want to adjust the focus on a subject in your footage, first, open up DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load your project. Once your timeline is ready, go to the Inspector tab at the top right corner of the screen. The inspector is basically your control center for editing clips. From scaling and rotation to position and cropping, inside the inspector, look for the transform section. That's where you'll find the zoom option. This setting controls how much you can zoom in or out on your clip. You can drag the slider or type in a number to set your preferred zoom level. Now, if you want to create a zoom animation, for example, a smooth zoom in effect over time, you'll need to use keyframes. Next to the zoom control, you'll notice a small diamond icon. That's your keyframe button. When you click it, DaVinci Resolve sets a keyframe at that exact point on your timeline. Locking in the zoom level for that moment, move your playhead forward to where you want the zoom to end. Adjust the zoom value again, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically create a second keyframe. The program will then animate the transition between those two zoom levels, creating a clean, professional-looking zoom effect. Keyframes basically define the start and end points of any motion or transition in your video, so you can control exactly how fast or slow your zoom moves, and where it starts or stops. And that's it. You've just learned how to zoom in on a clip using DaVinci Resolve 18. It's a simple but powerful tool that can add a lot of depth and motion to your edits. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and video editing guides. See you in the next one.